Hi everyone, it's Chiaki. Today we are going to make a special type of pesto pasta with zucchini noodles. Alright, let's get cooking. Usually pesto is made with basil, but our family farm has a lot of green shiso right now. The flavor is similar, so we will make a green shiso pesto today. Of course, you can use the same recipe and swap in basil if you prefer. Here are the ingredients. Green shiso, zucchini noodle, garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, walnuts, and salt and pepper. The pesto is probably one of the most popular Italian sauces. Making it at home is actually super easy, and then you can enjoy it super fresh when it tastes the best. So we are gonna start off in the food processor. First, we will toss the garlic and shiso leaves in and give them a buzz. It is most common to use pine nuts in pesto, but walnuts are also a good choice. It is best to toast them in the pan or bake them first to boost their nuttiness. Again, give this a blend to combine. Next, we add the Parmesan cheese and olive oil and salt. Then mix with the food processor one last time until everything is completely mixed into a beautiful green paste. Today we are using green shiso. These leaves are a little stronger, so we mixed everything in stages. When making pesto with basil, feel free to throw it all in and mix it in one go. My style pesto is super easy. Alright, our pesto is ready to go. Time to fresh cook the zucchini noodle 30 seconds. Take a small amount of pesto in the bowl. We're gonna toss in with the zucchini pasta right in this bowl. Make sure to do quick taste test and add salt and pepper to taste. Let's serve it up into a nice plate. We can top it off with a little chopped tomato for accent and tiny bit more grated of Parmesan cheese. Just for fun, we can use a mandarin to add a few pretty radish slices. Wow, that looks great! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to this channel for lots of more great tips and ideas. Please leave a comment below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
In the next video, I will show you how to make Asian zucchini noodle recipe. See you then! Bye!